back with another video, YK Recreation. Episode 4 on the blue/purple Subaru. Mr. YK has left me and Mr. D here to do bits and bobs to the car. For example, now we're just gonna take out the back seats and the carpet to see if there's any rust or any corrosion anywhere. So we'll get that started now. Go on then, yeah. First, taking everything out because there's loads of accessories in here. Pipes, anyone want free of charge.
Put that seat forward, is it?
The front seat.
Yeah.
Alright, hold up, just give me 2 minutes. What should we do now?
What's that on the floor? Under the door?
What? What? What is it? Run. It's dead, Dawood.
Is it?
Yeah.
Check.
I just kicked it, it's dead.
Check.
I just kicked it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, don't try it. You see Mr. D's here? Yeah, he's scared of spiders, man. Ah!
Not dead, is it?
It's moving?
Kill it.
Oh shit,
Kill it. Stick it to me.
Go on, I'll kill it, Mr. D, go on.
There you go.
What's next?
Here, the bolts here, yeah. That's it off. You know what bolts on it?
Does it lift you?
Yeah, pull.
Oh, easy as that, mate.
Easy as that, bro. Easy as that. I'll pull this out.
Go on, you pull it out. It looks quite clean to me. Go on, what's next? Here.
Whoa!
What?
What the fuck? What's that?
Where?
Look at it, that is full of webs. It's got nests somewhere around it.
Whoa! Look at that!
Go get a bleach ball.
Oh no, that's a baby or something inside that.
Go get a hoover. Go get. I can smell hard work in this car.
Oi! That's a full on nest, though.
Shit like this, man.
That's what we're rolling today, bro, in the Subaru.
Go on, go get some more, man.
Yo, I'm telling you, bro, this is the next ship I'm shipping, bro. I think you might approach this in another way. Yusuf, did you see the side of that, bro? You didn't watch it, innit?
Look at me, look at the camera. We talking to?
Yusuf? What are you talking? The hair's freaking me out, bro. Can I just move it? Moving it?
Just whack it, once see that. Squish it. Whee!
It's gone?
How do you do now? Come on, ready.
But try much bigger. Record it. Move it, everything.
Fuck you. It's not gonna bite you. Pick you.
Well, underneath him, I like, man.
Go on, you know.
Pick you.
No, you pick you, man.
Pick you. You know who man. No. Pick you, man. Move it. You guys think this is by through glue. There's no tarantula or something in the car. He's crawling in the spider web car.
Yeah.
Spider-mobile.
Yeah. Yeah, so to take these sheets out, there's a note here.
Where? I can see it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Isn't there one?
there, and there's one on that side as well.
Oh, pass me a little look at that.
Yeah, so let me open this one first. We need a pot to put all these in. And the passenger footwell, there's a pot there. Grab that pot. You grab that pot, I'll take these off. Yeah. Pull.
Why me pull?
There might be spider there.
Oh, bear spider. Whoa!
Whoa! You see it? Yes, that's why I give you it. That's why I cheat.
Whoa! This guy's crazy. He dragged it all out. There's best spiders on that side, eh?
Yo, what's going on, people? Mr. YK.RECREATION is back.
Let me show you this spider.
Spiders are too big.
So go on then. What's happened, boys? What's been going on? Spiders living inside here.
Next level spiders.
Are they actually alive though?
Most of them were alive.
You missed the big one.
You missed the big one.
I
I had to wrap around like a big egg, like I was having babies or something.
Yeah.
Move it. Look at all of the spiders on top of it. All these spiders.
Red, yeah.
Look at that.
So usually it's me doing the bits, but as you know, I've passed this project on to the youths, yeah? So I'm gonna be observing now, seeing what they're doing, giving them hints and tips. So let's see what they're doing right now.
Right now we're just bleaching the car.
You know what I mean? You understand why I have to watch these youths now? Because they're using bleach. Bleach will cause rust.
Just a bit.
Bleach will cause rust, alright. So what's the plan then? You've took the back seats out, yeah?
Yeah.
What's the plan next then?
Take all this one.
Take everything out, yeah. Literally everything. You need to see how bad the rust is. Have you got a screwdriver?
Why do you need one?
You're gonna need one.
What?
Because you're gonna have to take all this off here. You know all this thing here?
Is it flat? You mean the flat?
Yeah, all these, can see this here?
All this needs to come.
All this needs to come off. Because there might be big rust holes under this. You know, under
How does that come off? Isn't
this
it
sound deadening. Just with the screwdriver.
How do you put it on then? Back on?
We're not gonna put it back on. We're gonna have to get new ones. New sound deadening. You got a hammer screwdriver?
Give this to Tommy.
Go on, let me just give you an intro of what to do. So what you need to take off is, yeah, literally this thing here, all this goo. But not this underneath one here.
That's not good, that's metal, isn't it?
No, it's like sound deadening. I've seen the way it just chips off.
Yeah.
Just to see how bad it's rusted under there. So we've checked the shell here, and as you can see, it's not gone through the body. So next thing is to take this plastic trim off here. But to take the plastic trim off, you have to take this cover off that's stuck on. This cover's been stuck on for about at least 8 years. See if you can take this, because the clips are underneath this to pull this off. What the heck is this? Alright, go and see if you can pull that off. That's been on for years, bro. Yeah. Oh, look how clean it is. Bring that here. Look how clean it is under there. Go and pull it off.
Like new?
Like new. Wow.
Only the whole car.
Wow, look at that. Oh, wrong way. Look at that. That's like brand new where it's been stuck on. Looks brilliant. I can have this for my car.
It won't fit.
It will fit. Yep. It's for a Subaru. Okay. Now go and take them clips off. The screwdriver.
Flat.
Alright, take that piece off. We're looking for rust. We're looking for rust.
There, the clips there.
Just pull that off first. There's another clip.
It's the models.
Right. Moment of truth. Any rust under here?
Lighter.
Lighter. Does it still work? Should have tested it.
Oh, look here. Oh, shit. Oh, I've never had this bike on it now.
Right.
Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Inside for? He's right now. What a chicken! He took all his clothes off and one of us chickens like that. Why did he scare him from? Was it?
I'm not going to show him it, I just flew on into you. The spiders will don't kill.
Okay. Yeah, spiders don't kill. Checking for rust, checking for rust. It's not that bad actually.
Yeah, but it wasn't a big one, it was a tiny bit. It was like a ant.
It's just like dirt. I thought this is all rust.
I'm not sure if it fell up here.
Yeah. It's not bad, you know. I thought it's rust under here, but it's not, it's just dirt.
Yeah, just
It's literally just dirt. This is where they rust.
sound, mate, sound.
These are all like the main rusting areas.
Here you can put your jigsaw puzzle
It's
box.
not bad. Strut towers are good.
It was tiny, that was like an ant, man.
Looks okay.
This is one one.
Making the guy paranoid. That side's alright. Let's check back here. But here strut towers look okay as well. Hey, look, it looks alright. It's not too bad. This I thought it'd be.
It's better than the red one by miles.
I thought it'd be really rust. Oh, I found a little bit of rust, people. Not much though.
Where?
Just a little bit on that top little piece there, but that's a minor.
That's common box, mate.
That's the outside, right?
Yeah. It's from the inside. It goes from the inside out.
That's
Not too bad.
What is it?
Right.
That's
So
alright.
check that set. So that's it. Are you done for today?
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
So it doesn't look too bad rust-wise, does it?
No.
So you know what? The next thing is what you're gonna have to do.
What?
You're gonna have to lift the car up, go underneath it, and for God's sake.
That was you. That was him who made you hit your head.
Yeah, that's what the thing banged my head before. Cause yeah. So what to do is you lift the car up and inspect it underneath. See how bad the fuel pipes are, brake pipes are.
Haven't you checked
That's the next thing to do.
Haven't checked it today.
No, I haven't checked it. I had a rough look over when I was doing the gearbox, but I didn't fully check it. So the next thing to do.
What's the next thing? Design.
Lift it up, check the brakes. That's the main important thing. Your brakes are your main important thing.
The jack. Brakes, yeah, we definitely new brakes. Have you seen them?
Yeah.
Oh,
So until next time.
until next time.
Until next time.
Episode 5.
5.
Yeah.
Inspecting the car
From
for
underneath.
rust underneath. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.
Peace.